Welcome to this lecture. So now we are able to draw the rectangles around detected faces on screen. So in this lecture, firstly we will cover the code of this custom painter or face painter class, and then we will quickly review the process that how we are drawing rectangles around detected faces. So let's start. So there you can see we got this face painter class which is extending this custom painter class, and when we extend it we need to implement its method called paint, and in this method we will get the canvas for our custom paint widget. So there you can see we got this custom paint widget here where we are using this face painter. So here in this paint method we get the canvas for that custom paint widget, and now on that canvas we can draw anything. So firstly we are drawing the image with the help of this canvas.drawImage method, and here we are passing that image in that particular format, and after that we are specifying that draw the image starting from the position 0, 0 or from the top left point of the canvas, and then the third parameter is a paint object, and by using this paint object we can customize drawing on the canvas by setting its properties, and we will cover it in a moment. But for now, when this paint method will be executed, firstly on the canvas our image will be drawn. After that we are iterating the list of faces which our model returned, and for each face we are drawing the rectangle on the canvas. And to do that we are using this canvas.drawRect function, and inside it we are getting the rectangle or the location of the face using this face.bounding box. And the second parameter which we need to pass through this drawRect function is a paint object. So using this paint object we can customize our rectangle which will be drawn on the canvas. So we created this paint object here, and here firstly we are setting the color. So as you can see the color of the rectangle is red, and the reason is we are choosing red color here. Similarly you can choose any other color here if you want. Similarly, you can select the style of the rectangle here, and we are choosing the style to stroke. So it means that we want a rectangle with just a border or stroke. Similarly, you can choose it to fill, and you will get a filled rectangle here. But we want the rectangle with just a border, so we selected stroke here. And then you can also select the width of this stroke or width of this border as well. So now after creating this paint object, we are passing it here, and our rectangle is being drawn around detected faces. Similarly, if you will select any image which contain multiple faces, you will see the rectangle drawn around multiple faces here. So that's how in this face painter or custom painter, the rectangles are being drawn around detected faces, and we are using this face painter class here inside our custom paint widget. So inside this widget, this face painter will gonna draw the image and also the rectangles on screen to the user. But now let's quickly review the process that how we are performing face detection inside our application. So firstly we are declaring and initializing our face detector here, and after that once the user will gonna choose or capture the image, these image from gallery or image from camera methods will be executed, and here after getting our image in a file format we are calling this do face detection method. And in this method we are converting our image into this input image format, and we are passing it to our face detection model, and our model will gonna detect the faces and return the result in the form of list of faces. And after that we are iterating each face which is present inside this list, and then we are printing the information to the user on console, and then we are calling this draw rectangle around faces method, and in this method we are converting our image into that image format, and then we are calling this set state, and it will actually going to process or show that part to the user on screen, or in other words the detected faces or the image will be passed to the face painter class, and it will gonna draw the image and the rectangles around detected faces on the canvas of this custom paint widget.